better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to hop on here quickly and introduce you guys. This is my birthday photo shoot vlog. So it's basically a BTS of everything, behind the scenes of everything I did. This video is actually inspired by Kemi from YouTube. I watched her video and I liked it, so I decided to recreate somehow. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So it's my birthday BTS of my birthday vlog, my birthday shoot. Yeah, so I'm going to go get my hair done. Hopefully I do it in time because my appointment is by 12:30. So I'm with my brother. Hey guys, we're still on our way. This is a bit far. I'm in my rich auntie Bobo. I think I got it from Chick Bobo's. Ready to go, but so many things have happened. I'm so late. You know, I told you guys it was 12:30. This is literally 1 o'clock, if not 1:30. I'll see you guys soon. Fantastic.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you were would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause working on yourself, is she helping with that too?
You guys, so I'm done with the shoot. Got my hair. So yes, I'm done with the shoot. So I want to change up.
True, I want you right here in the world.
Yeah.
Being with you all alone, it's like a dream come true.